Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about a Java linked list. So we learned about array list, and the linked list class is almost identical to array list. Import the linked list class. Import java.util.linkedList public class main public static void main string args linked list string cars equal to new linked list string cars.add Volvo, cars.add BMW, cars.add Ford, system.out.println cars. Array list versus linked list. The linked list class has a collection which can contain many objects of the same type, just like the array list. The linked list class has all of the same methods as the array list class because they both implement the list interface. This means that you can add items, change items, remove items, and clear the list in the same way. However, while the array list class and the linked list class can be used in the same way, they are built very differently. How the array list works. The array list class has a regular array inside it. So when an element is added, it is placed into the array. And if the array is not big enough, a new larger array is created to replace the old one, and the old one is removed. How the linked list works. The linked list stores its items in containers. The list has a link to the first container, and each container has a link to the next container in the list. To add an element to the list, the element is placed into a new container, and that container is linked to one of the other containers in the list. When to use? Use an array list for storing and accessing data, and linked list to manipulate data. Linked list methods. For many cases, array list is more efficient as it is common to need access to random items in the list. But the linked list provides several methods to do certain operations more efficiently. Method add first adds an item to the beginning of the list. Add last add an item to the end of the list. Remove first remove an item from the beginning of the list. Remove last remove an item from the end of the list. Get first get the item at the beginning of the list. Get last get the item at the end of the list. So this was a brief discussion on linked list in Java, and we'll be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.